Hi, my name's Emily Muller and I'm the General Manager of the Shared Services Department at Star Hotel Group. Star Group is the largest independently owned and operated pub and liquor retail group in Queensland, Australia. Over the past 12 months, we have deployed a centralised, chain-wide security solution from Hikvision. One major problem with our existing CCTV system was that these cameras could not be integrated into a centralised management platform. This meant that footage had to be monitored by staff at every one of Star Group's 150 plus stores and venues, which was inefficient and expensive. In addition, we want to explore the opportunities of video data analytics and business intelligence in terms of improving operational performance by providing more clarity on which areas of the store are most visited, thereby improving product placement and merchandising. To overcome these challenges in our business, we have deployed a new chain-wide security and business intelligence solution from Hikvision. The new solution uses no fewer than 2,500 smart Hikvision cameras, which provide a 360 view of venues and generate alerts for security incidences in real time. These are connected via Hike Central Professional, and feeds from across the camera estate are viewed by our staff at a centralised control room on a large Hikvision video wall. The fisheye cameras and cameras with AccuSense, people counting and heat mapping technologies provide full security coverage. Collect valuable trend data to understand the products and activities they prefer and the areas and facilities they use the most, to also create more relevant offers and promotions for our customers. With Hikvision's centralised security solution, Hike Central Professional, we have dramatically increased the efficiency of its security operations. We have been able to check and manage every camera in every store from our control centre, simplifying security device inspection and maintenance. We were also able to reduce workload for staff at each store, working smarter and more efficiently.
Hike Central reduced their operational costs and allowed the customer to make better informed decisions. This leads to a greatly improved overall experience.
The Hikvision Smart Video solution is also giving us business intelligence capabilities. With heat mapping and people counting analysis, the company gains new insights into customer needs and preferences, helping it fine-tune its offers and deliver even better customer experiences. All offers and promotions are displayed to customers in a clear and engaging way using the Hikvision digital signage displays. This has increased our revenue and also improved customers' shopping experiences.
The power and support of Hikvision to Sectec Group has been a huge turning point in our business development.
The Hikvision solution was tailored to meet our specific needs, providing a wealth of business intelligence to help the company work smarter, reduce manual security interventions, and improve customer experiences.